Hello everyone, welcome here. Restful API. What it is? Let's see. REST means representational state transfer. Is a systematic architecture that defines the set of methods to access the web services. Basically, RESTful API services are using to communicating with one particular external device services to another particular device services. So the communicating between these two will be called as application programming interface. The main goal of REST API is to create a system that can be used by different applications and platforms like web, mobile, and other service tools which are accepted which are accepting web services. See a diagram of pictorial representation. Here I am presenting API, which is called like at a first level 01 web app in browser, and it is going to be interacting with internet. The 02, it's a request and response based, it will works. And API, so the next one, it is web service like a web server, and another one is database. So the web API which we are going to be implementing, we can establish a connectivity to the browser, application, and a web server and database. So beautifully, what we can call it as, what is an API? An API is a set of programming code that enables data transmission between one software product and another. It is also contains the terms of the data exchange. A set of rules are designed inside the application programming interface. So we are going to learning how we are going to making a service oriented request using PHP language we are trying. RESTful web services are created with CRUD operations. PHP or any other programming languages, CRUDs are very important. Create, read, update, delete functionality. Where we are creating a dynamic web application or web app, mobile app, anything which we are going to be interacting with the database. These operations are very essential. The REST API is consumed by making HTTP request, hypertext transfer protocol. So these requests are plain requests and highly secure. In API services, these requests we can call it as methods. Those are get method, post, put, or delete. From the client side, these are the methods are going to be interacting to the server. The API is implemented in way to return response in either JSON or XML. Or if you want to make any custom format, plain text and all, yes, you can possible to make it other formats as well. So we are mostly focusing on JSON objects, which are very most and most popular, and supports for all the relevant other platforms and applications. Once you implemented the REST API services, where you need to maybe add in a client side, which is maybe application of Java or ASP.NET or Python, any service you may take, any software where you need to consume these services. Yes, you can use it when it is JSON objects or XML. So JSON means JavaScript object notations, or XML, you know that extensive markup language. So either formats we are going to use and work with this creating of API services. RESTful API, if you are start working on an application, working in a different devices like desktop app or mobile app, web app, or any other the software are going to be interacting and working with this particular devices. Yes, you absolutely create a REST web API service and required operations to access the different applications, web application, mobile app services, and all, and providing the services and consuming the services. You can build using RESTful services. I hope it's very simple about RESTful API. We are going working with it. All these discussions are we are going to work with the real world code example. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.